him on the tree last night, and he pecked at the insects that were crawling. So that really got me excited that he's getting ready to join the other birds outside. Can't get him to pick up his food yet in here. And his grip on my finger is a little better this morning. So he's growing up quickly. It won't be long now before he will join the other birds outside. He continues to get cat food that has been softened in water for about a half an hour so that it's real soft. It's a little bit hard to pick up with the tweezers at times. He's more talkative this morning than he's been being. When he's excited, it's a little bit harder to get the food in his mouth. Monday will be 2 weeks, so it should just be a few days before he's ready to go out on his own. And it's much easier for me to feed him not holding the phone. So until our next update.